Hello everyone. In today's video, we will talk about two very important functions in text category of Excel. Chaliye, let us start. First function I will talk about find. Find asks for a text to be found. Suppose I want to find count out of it. I say count, then within this text, then next parameter is optional because it is enclosed in brackets, square brackets. So you may give it like start from first character, or by default it will take the starting point as a first character m of my, okay, but I usually put it for my own understanding, right? You say find, it's okay. Then search, do the same stuff. Search, it again asks for a find text. आपने कहा count, then within text, then again the start number. Okay, now question comes up, what is the difference between these two? Okay, let me tell you. Find is non-case sensitive. Find is case sensitive and search is not case sensitive. See, you said find. What text to find? You said RS, rupees. Okay. Within this text, comma 1 is a starting point and put enter. You will see it gives a value error. It means it could not find RS, rupees, in this text. But it is not true. It is there, right? So what if I do same with the search? Search for RS, comma, this text, comma 1. It gives me answer, right? So it means your find function is case sensitive. However, search is not a case sensitive. So depend on your requirement. You can do the things. Okay. If I make it exactly how it appears on this shell, it should return me the things. Okay. So we can use these two features like being find as a case sensitive and search as a non-case sensitive depend on our value. Suppose you have some RS somewhere else also, okay, or before it, okay, let's make it before it. Now see how find changes the place, which is correct, but search function found the only first RS, okay. So if my requirement is to find the exact this case, it means capital R and lower s, then I should use the find function. That should work correctly. But search give me the first occurrence of RS irrespective of lowercase or uppercase. Okay, so we can use this as per our requirements. Okay, now here I'm telling you a real example of function find or search. Say I want to find a space, okay, within this text, start from first character. It gives me 8. So 8 is the place where it was found. Space was found here. And I know that before a first space, everything is a first name. So I'm just minus 1 from it. Okay, I got a 7. Now I will use this 7 within my left function, left of this. And this function will return me 7. Okay. Yes, put enter. Now it doesn't matter how long or how short is the first name, it will always give you the correct value. So earlier also I told you it is how you use the application of a function and how do you make the parameters dynamic. Like instead of putting a simple 5 or 6 or 7 as a number of character parameter, I used a function that returns a number based upon some condition. For example, in this case, the find function find a space and return me a number. That number I am using here. So it is a real Excel that you should learn. So the trick and the power is the application. Note the number of functions you know. You may know 100 functions, but you can't do the task that I want. But you know only the 5 functions, but you are able to do whatever you want. So that is more strong. So be strong, be practical, learn practically. Stay tuned, keep learning. Thank you so much. What is the key of this video? Find is case sensitive and search is not a case sensitive. Okay, stay tuned, keep learning. Thank you so much.